This is one of the classic definitions of a bird. A comparative study of living reptiles and birds and the fossil remains of their prehistoric ancestors indicates similarities of evolutionary development. For instance, the skeleton of one of these ancient reptiles, the Ornithosuchus, bears some striking similarities to the skeleton of a bird. This reptile walked on its hind legs and had a pelvic bone. Usually, we associate birds with flying. Flying is a strenuous activity. But lightness alone is not enough to sustain a bird in flight. The cross-section of a bird's wing would look like this. We call this shape an airfoil. As the streamlined wing moves rapidly along, air rushes over both the top and bottom surfaces. Because of the curvature of the upper surface of the wing, the air along this surface has to move faster. This creates lift. The shape of the bird further helps it maintain flight. Its body is so built that it reduces wind resistance. Migration is the seasonal passage of birds from one region to another. This seasonal phenomenon is the subject of much study. What factors trigger this behavior?
Many forms of life long ago learned that survival depended on the common strategy of the species. Under attack, this cohesive community of strangers can explode in all directions like a golden grenade, distracting predators from zeroing in on a single victim. Other species have learned to gather in massively efficient hunting packs in their constant scouring of the sea for the food of life. And still other creatures learn that only by mobilizing in vast multitudes can they perpetuate their unknown destinies.
Even an unflappable mola mola fish seems to adopt the uncharacteristic behavior of the squids. It is as though an entire generation of CROs is aware that their moment of truth has arrived.
As the divers ascend, it is like moving through the strange underwater cyclotron, aglow with flying particles of organic energy.